Brightspace has many tools that you're able to use as an instructor to engage with your students. One of these tools is the discussion board. The discussion board is great for posting any information you want to convey to your students. You can use it for graded discussion postings that the students can complete, or you can just use it as a communication tool for the students to interact with one another. To create a discussion board, you're going to click the Communication tab in your home page and go to Discussions. You'll notice here now that I have no discussions in my discussion board at the moment, so I'm going to actually go in and create some forums and discussion topics in those forums. Typically, the forums can be anything you would like it to be. I personally have general discussion forums and graded discussion forums in my course. So for that instance, I'm going to create those right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my forum. So I'm going to click on the New button in my discussion board and click New Forum. And this one I'm going to call General Discussion. There's an option there to put a description if I want for my students. And you'll notice there's some options here. I can allow anonymous posts. A moderator must approve individual posts before they display. Users must start a thread before they can read and reply to other threads in each topic. I find this one really handy, particularly for graded discussions. I'll turn this on so that the students have to post their message before they can see any other students. And then you can display the forum description in the topics. So I'm going to save and close this now to create this forum. So you'll notice now that on my discussion board, I have my one forum listed called General Discussion. I'm going to go in now and create another forum called Graded Discussions. Again, I'll click the New button and click New Forum. This one will be called Graded Discussions. I'll come down and I'm going to click Save and Close again. Now, these are the actual forums where the discussion topics will be located, and that's where the students will actually go in and add threads and create messages. So for the first one, I'm going to actually go and add a new topic. So I'm going to click on New, but this time I'm going to say New Topic. And in here, I'm going to actually attach it to the forum that I want it to be attached to. So I'm going to click on the Choose a Forum arrow and choose General Discussions. Now there's two options here for topic type. I can have an open topic where everyone can access the topic and its contents, or if I have any groups set up in my course, I can have group or section topics. But I'm going to stick with an open topic for now, and we're just going to call this one Student Lounge. So basically what I'm doing here now is creating a discussion topic where the students can go in and talk amongst themselves in the course. Normally, I would put a small description there saying that this is a student lounge for students and they can go in and actually interact with one another there. Again, my options are here as well for anonymous posts, for moderating, and for users posting their thread before they can read other threads. And then I'm going to come down and click Save and Close. So you'll notice here now I have my forum called General Discussion. And then I have the topic called Student Lounge within that forum. And I can add as many topics in that forum as I would like to. Now, if we move down a bit, if I click on the drop-down arrow next to Graded Discussions, I can also add a topic this way. So I'm going to click Add a Topic. And this time, I'm going to call this one Discussion Posting 1. I would normally put a description here of what is required of the student in their discussion posting. And I'm going to turn on the users must start a thread before they read or reply to other threads. Then I'm going to click Save and Close. So now you'll notice I have two forums created. One is the Student Lounge under the General Discussion, and one is the discussion posting under the Graded Discussions. So, and you'll notice here that it says must post first. All right, so that's basically how you would go in and create discussion forums and discussion postings in Brightspace.